Battles are won in the mind. You do not believe you can beat me. You never will. It's no game, Reina. You want to survive? Show me you want to survive.
Battles are first won in the mind before they ever are won on the ground. Pay attention to this dialogue. And here is the reality most people will never admit. Some people do not lose because the world is unfair. They lose because their mind accepted defeat long before the battle even began. If you want to survive, show me that you want to survive. This particular line from the scene which I have just shown you reflects our lives perfectly because many people never show it through their actions. While some of you are not doing enough. Some of you are just sitting on the sofas, blaming the government, blaming the system, blaming the world, but taking zero steps yourself. Well, my dear friends, real change has never come from people who only discuss and become keyboard warriors. Real change comes from action. And let me say this very clearly. Our country needs more people who are willing to work hard, rise up, and step into positions of value and influence. We need people with ethics. We need people with morals. We need people with discipline. We need people with true intention, people who want to build and not break. We need more people who are willing to become richer, earn lots of money. We need more people who want to become stronger and more capable, not to satisfy their ego, but because power in the right hands creates a better tomorrow. If you believe you can contribute positively to society, then don't just sit and talk about it. Start moving, even if it is very silent. Even if it's behind the scenes, even if it's just one tiny step. Well, unshakable people don't wait for conditions to become perfect. They take imperfect action. My mentor, Brigadier Janesh Kheda, he's retired now. He once told me when I was serving under him in the Indian Army that unless you ask, the answer will always be no. Most people never receive a no directly from life. Well, they give it to themselves before even trying. They believe that the answer is no without even asking. Sometimes you must show that you want to survive. And you show it through your actions. Unshakable people follow what Bhagavad Gita teaches. Karm kar, phal ki chinta mat kar. Do your karm, take the step, make the attempt, ask again, try again. Because your one action today, even if it is very, very small, may create a result years later that can transform an entire generation. Whatever you're doing today, nothing is going to go in vain. The battle is first won in the mind and then on the ground. And that is how you become unshakable. So stop telling your brain that the answer is no without you even ask for it first. Go ask for it. It may be a no, maybe a yes, but at least you asked. At least that one question is going to lay a foundation for thousands of such questions, which will definitely one day make a change. Till then, keep speaking with power, keep living with power. Jai Hind, Namaste.